The GreenWave project aims to promote green entrepreneurship and eco-business among young people around Europe. In this project, we are developing several intellectual outputs. One of the intellectual outputs is about good practices and examples in each of the countries of the organizations which are implementing this project. So in our case, we will explore the green cases in Portugal, green enterprises, and the green entrepreneurial audit for young people and youth workers, and then our conclusions. So regarding the green cases in Portugal, we've highlighted several projects which combine different topics around sustainability. So the first one is Projeto Taça, which aims to promote traditional crafts into nowadays design. Then we have another one, Small but Perfectly Formed, which is a set of small scholarships to implement circular and sustainable business models on fashion. And it's a European initiative organized by Fashion Revolution Portugal. Then we also have Forest School Educational Model, which is developed by Escola Lá Fora, which implements educational initiatives promoting the connection between children and the forest. Then we have a summer school of an organization called Oceans Alive Camp, which aims to connect young people to oceans and their problems and solutions. Then we have Alga Plus, which is a sustainable farming of seaweed species in the Atlantic coast, has a solution for new organic foods for the future. Then we have Cork Floating Islands, which is a technology developed by two enterprises which facilitates bioremediation of wetlands, rivers and dams by implementing cork islands with plants which will clean this water. Then we have Marca Viveiros, which is a native plant nursery dedicated to the propagation of Mediterranean flora, and at the same time it engages a multiple set of stakeholders in this cause. Then we have a project in construction, in the area of construction, which is called Renew Construction, Residues in Circular Economy, which means how can we make constructions using residues as a material. Maria Granel, it's a shop with sustainable products, no plastic packaging and overall waste reduction regarding packaging. It locates in Portugal, Lisbon, and it has several shops. Then we have Veolia, which is an enterprise for waste management, which has been promoting waste valorization and therefore the implementation of circular economy systems. Then we have the green enterprises. We have this amazing enterprise which is called Fruta Feia, that has the aim to reduce food as a waste by selling fruits and vegetables that normally would be out of the market because of their sizes. We have Capuchinhas, which is a crafts fashion organization which combines traditional techniques with today's design. And then we have this group, these two, Minga and Freixo do Meio, are examples of enterprises where you can buy sustainable products and foods. Then we have CRU, which is an architecture and research enterprise which aims to promote sustainability in architecture by implementing sustainable techniques. Then we have Simbio, which is once again an enterprise of organic food. Rota Vicentina, which is an association that promotes sustainable tourism in part of Portugal in the south. Blue Matter, that develops eco-efficient solutions. Then we have Oceans Alive, Maria Granel. Hortas Lisboa, which is an organization that promotes vegetable gardens in city areas. Neoturf, Refoods, Vintage for a Cause, that all of them promote circular economy, one's in fashion and the other one's in food. Eco Circular, Bupina Loop, Biataki, also different enterprises with different eco business that you can explore more. And then finally, these three highlighting that Ambar is a skincare brand locally made with natural products. We also perform an audit of the young people and youth workers. These were our collected data, so most of them was between 28 years old and 29. Most of them were female, and most of them were already or currently involved in youth work. And a big part of them is motivated to implement a green business initiative or project. So regarding the survey results, so most of them are familiar with the concept of eco-entrepreneurship and also with circular economy. Climate change is significantly known, a concept known, so it's very familiar for almost half of the participants on this survey. And also sustainable development is also a concept that is really familiar for our audience. Then regarding adaptability to a working environment, it's more mixed, a mixed variety of answers, but most of them are already familiar with this concept of working environment. And basically all of them highlight how important, highlight or recognize how important is sustainability, eco-entrepreneurship, climate change, and circular economy in nowadays. So, to highlight the main obstacles to a successful eco-business, our answers reported the lack of funding and regulation and bureaucracy. They also highlight that the implementation of the whole of a whole circular model, it's quite crucial for eco-business. And an important part of this is the identification of suppliers compatible with these principles of eco-entrepreneurship. Basically, our participants want their motivation to develop an eco-business is to contribute to a better world and at the same time to be independent on the work aspect of their lives. So, we have, upon these results, we have built a GreenWave competencies to further develop in the project so that participants can improve their skills and competencies in the area of eco-entrepreneurship.